How to change password on Weiser door lock. I'm going to tell you how to change password on Weiser door lock. First, keep the door open and locate the small program button on the interior side, usually below the battery cover. Press it once, you'll see the LED flash to indicate you're in programming mode. Next, enter your current programming code, then press program again to confirm. Now, key in your new user code. This can be between 4 and 8 digits, and press program once more. You should hear a beep and see a green light confirming success. If you're changing the master programming code, first press and hold program for about 15 seconds until the lock beeps, then release and repress to enter the new code. Again, you'll hear confirmation when it's done. Once complete, test your new code by locking the bolt and unlocking it with the fresh digits. If the lock doesn't respond, repeat the steps. Make sure the door is open, batteries are fresh, and you're within 5 seconds between presses.